welcome back to Travel with Jenny.
So we're here at the Yas Mall inside the Yas Island. And Yas Island is one of the most popular place here inside Abu Dhabi. It's a must-go place. And all major theme parks and water worlds are here at the Yas Island. So definitely come and check it out if you're in your town.
But a lot of places like Ferrari World are not open on the Mondays. The main reason we are here today is just to buy abaya because we are planning to go to Grand Mosque tomorrow. They no longer provide free abaya since COVID-19.
So we are here at one of the coffee shops inside the mall. It's called Forever Rose Coffee Shop. It's a very popular space for the locals to have a coffee at because of the furnishing and fit out of the space. It's great.
Still looking for my abaya. I don't want to buy an expensive one, so I think probably I just wear it once. Hey guys, so I just came back. I went to another mall. Then from my 3 pieces. This is hijab. Then abaya and the dress you wear inside. Because they have more affordable, cheaper abaya. It's about 100 dirham, so it's about like $30 US. What is the name of that mall?
Madinah Zayed.
Alright, I'll type it here. The name of the cheaper abaya mall. The hotel seems very nice. It's like a cross street from Emirates Palace. And the view is like ocean view. It's ocean, this is ocean. Good morning guys, look at my abaya today. We have to cover everything and then I'll cover my hair too.
Morning guys, so we're here at the brunch place. As you can see, it's a very Instagram style kind of cafe, which is not my cup of tea, but it's alright, you know.
Girls like it.
Yeah.
This place is so cute. Kawaii design.
Lovely.
So I'm never gonna let you go. I'll hold you forever. Oh baby, I'ma let you know that we belong together. We belong together. Friends know all the places that their best friends go, and every time you go away, I never wanna say goodbye.
Hey guys, so after you park your car in the parking lot, you have to go through a mall, and if you don't have abaya, you can buy it here. It's just a little bit more expensive.
So we just walked through an abaya shop here right next to the mosque. There's just like a bunch of people in there, so definitely buy your abaya in advance. You can find cheap ones in the souks and definitely negotiate your prices.
so they'll check your outfit if it meets their requirement, and you can go in.
Yeah, make sure no skin color are shown.
Yeah. And
Besides your face and chin.
you have to cover your feet too. Alright, basically only eyes, I think hands can be exposed.
So I booked my tickets online. I would definitely recommend you guys to book it online as well. So you can just skip the queue and get into the mosque as soon as possible.
The impressive and inspiring Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is the largest mosque in the world. The Welcoming Mosque's open-door policy encourages visitors from around the world. Completed in just over a decade, the mosque was built to embody Islam's foremost message of peace and tolerance, and welcome people of all beliefs.
So this pillar here, there's actually speakers inside. So when the prayer times comes, they are able to radio out the prayers so everybody in the area can hear it.
Took us forever to get in because we're taking too many pictures. So if you don't cover your hair or anything properly, the security guy will come up to you and say you have to cover that, or you have to delete the picture you just took because it shows your hair. The mosque's architects were British, Italian, and Emirati, with design ideas borrowed from parts of Turkey, Morocco, Pakistan, and Egypt, among other Islamic countries. The end result is a breathtaking, gleaming architectural marvel. The mosque holds a Guinness World Record for the largest hand-woven carpet, and also boasts one of the largest chandelier in a mosque.
So this area is the prayer hall. It only opens on every Friday. So coming Friday, if you're a Muslim, you can enter this area, but you need to take your shoes off and pray in here. There's a different section, different prayer hall that you can enter at this moment, but this one is just for Fridays. So as you can see, the Arabic letters on top of that ring, it's quotes from the Quran, the holy book of a Muslim. Hey guys, so we're actually on the free taxi right now. Once you finish visiting the mosque and come out from the last exit, there's free taxi here. Yeah, so I think this is really convenient. And Abu Dhabi is much harder and more humidity compared to Dubai, so this is more humane. So we love this place especially compared to all the other ones because there's no ticket. It's free to enter to this one, and also there's a free taxi at the end. It's definitely worth your trip to come to a mosque to experience the Muslim religion and culture and everything. Hey guys, so we have just arrived at the Palace Hotel. As you can see, so these are the most famous landmarks of Abu Dhabi. To your left, those three identical buildings are the Etihad Towers, and then right next to it is the Grand Hyatt Hotel, which is the one that we're staying in at the moment. And right next to it is sort of Arabic style hotel. It's called Bab Al Qasar Hotel. So the Emirates Palace used to be the actual place that the royal family used to live in. They have turned it into the only 8-star hotel in the world now. This is also the place where the shooting for the movie Fast and Furious happened. So if you're a fan of that movie, please don't forget to come in here and check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend I'm in the movie now.
Alright, let's go.
really fancy inside. Actually, you don't need to book a room. You can just walk in. They also offer afternoon teas if you are interested. That's about it. Our next stop is Presidential Palace. Presidential Palace was not recommended by a lot of people because they just opened last year. So it's a new attraction.
And it's right here. It's right here, right next to the Emirates Palace. So if you come here, you can basically just walk over there.
Yeah.
It's a walking distance.
Are we gonna walk there or drive there?
I think we are gonna try to
drive there. It's like a 5 minutes drive. Just arrived at the Presidential Palace,
aka Qasr Al-Watan, which is the Arabic translation for the Presidential Palace. So as you can see, so the facade of the building are made of white stones and granites. Those are designed to be last 100 years at least. Everything is also white. It symbolizes peace in Arabic cultures.
And they do have dress code. They require like your dress need to cover under your knees.
You know, it is a government agency and you do need to be aware of what you are wearing. Definitely try to wear, you know, something more traditional and conservative.
Yeah. So there was a lady in front of us. Her dress was too short, so they gave her something to cover.
Yeah.
So yeah, not big deal, but it's better you dress properly.
Yeah, and you can just get your tickets at the gate. It's only 60 dirhams per person. Once you purchase the tickets, you have to go through security checks. Make sure you don't bring any firearms, of course, unless you want to go to jail.
And the sunset is perfect time to visit because they have light show at 6:30. So you have to get in before that time and stay in the garden.
That's what they call it, Palace in Motion. That's what the name for the light show is.
Alright, let's go inside.
Yeah.
Construction of the Presidential Palace was completed in 2017, and then President of the UAE decided to open the palace to the public in 2019. Prior to its opening, the palace was used only for official purposes, mainly hosting foreign leaders of state. Even after being open to the public, the palace continues to be used for these purposes.
Wow, look at that chandelier. It's probably the biggest one I have ever seen.
The interior, which is decorated using white, yellow, and blue to signify the landscape of the region, consists of a number of grand areas, including the Grand Great Hall. The Grand Great Hall acts as a focal point for all activities within the palace complex, interconnecting various functional units. Wow, this place is 100 times better than Emirates Palace. What do you think, bro?
Wow, so I'm just amazed about how many tons of marbles and crystals they have used. There's literally a chandelier in every single space, and the entire space is built of marbles.
It's a phenomenal.
Yeah, it's much fancier than the one that I've been to in Turkey.
So we just finished visiting inside. I think this attraction will get very popular soon. It's perfect timing for light show. Let's wait for it.
angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plain, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria, Gloria. See him in a manger laid, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria.